everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I just wanted to share with you a very quick and easy idea for a king cake. I was originally going to do a traditional homemade king cake, but there were too many steps and it was just a little too complicated to put on YouTube, so I just decided to do this. And this is really simple. All you need is 2 cans of the Grands cinnamon rolls, and you want the Grands, and you also want some sprinkles, and I have like Mardi Gras colored sprinkles, and some sugar, and purple, green, and gold or yellow is what I have. And you also need a sheet pan and some parchment paper. Now traditionally the king cakes have a little plastic baby in them, and if you have one and you want to put it in there, that's fine, but I would caution you not to put it in if you have very small children, because it is a choking hazard. And all you're going to do is take the cinnamon rolls and layer them on top of each other just a little bit, and you're going to do that all the way around, and you want to make sure the seam of the cinnamon roll is facing the pan. Now you're basically making this into a circle or an oval, and you will probably have to reposition some of the rolls just a little bit as you go. When you get to the end, as you'll see in a minute, I needed to move some of them around just a little bit just to make sure I could have it end into a complete circle or an oval. Now once you get it all completed, you will bake this in the oven on 350 for about 23 minutes to 27 minutes. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. And then take the icing that came with the rolls, and you're just going to go ahead and spread that on each one. Now the colors actually have meaning to them. So purple is to signify justice, the gold is to symbolize power, and the green is to represent faith. And that's the 3 colors of Mardi Gras. Now add your sprinkles, and you want to do this before the icing starts to harden, and you're also wanting to do that with the sugar. And if you don't have this type of sprinkle, you can also use nonpareils, which are the little tiny small icing beads, and just add as much or as little as you'd like. I personally don't like a lot of sugar on my king cake. I like the icing with the sprinkles, and there's a specific bakery that we like, which is Randazzo's king cakes, and they don't put a lot of sugar on theirs, and we kind of like that. Now king cakes were made to celebrate the Epiphany or King's Day, and that holy day is January 6th, and it marks the beginning of the king cake season. And the plastic doll represents the infant Jesus, and of the 3 wise men finding the infant. So that's what the plastic doll is. It just symbolizes the finding of baby Jesus, and whoever finds it in the cake, they have to buy the next king cake. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you would please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, I ask that you would please do so. And if you click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a blessed day, and happy Mardi Gras, y'all.